Sister, you, video. You can say something.
Father, I do not know the place.
Oh.
Action gitu no Romo. Oke no?
Yeah.
Oke. Romo Julius, saya bertemu saudara Romo lo di sini di Manila. Semoga Romo selalu sehat, bahagia ya dalam pelayanan, segala sesuatunya dimudahkan. Nice to meet you, Romo.
Okay.
I do not know him.
You do not know him?
Go to Indonesia.
Hello, Father Julius. It's a very good coincidence. I met Sister Emma of SSCC sister. She said you give the retreat many years ago.
3 years ago.
Oh, 3 years ago. 2 years. Oh, it's very recent. I told them you were my formator before. Thank you. I said you're very good formator.
And very good retreat director also.
I hope you will come to visit again in the Philippines. So good luck and see you in other occasion, hopefully in Indonesia or in here in the Philippines.